Sup everyone, this is Elijah with Financial Anatomy coming at you with another video to help you take control of your financial destiny. We're going to be talking about the OnePay app and how you can link a debit card to the bank. Start off by opening the app up. Then you want to click on where it says Wallet at the bottom of the screen. Once here, click the plus icon in the top right hand corner. You also have the option to add the card by scanning by clicking on Scan to Add. We'll be adding it manually for demonstration purposes though. If you want the card to be used for default purposes, you'll want to click on where it says Default Card for Wallet. Once you've added the card information, click on Add Card. Once finished, the card will be added. You'll then see it appear right next to your OnePay card. Going forward, that means that you now have the option to pay with this debit card instead of your OnePay debit card if you so desire. That does it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, hit the thumbs up button as that greatly helps us with the YouTube algorithm if you got value out of this video. And if you're interested in OnePay and you haven't signed up for it already, you can go ahead and do that by clicking on the link in the description. We'll catch you in the next video, and don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.